Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my October Yes Oh Yes unboxing. I'm also going to be doing a try on in this video because there are some things that I want to try on for you guys and give like my first impressions type thing. So if you want to see everything I got for this month, then keep watching. If you guys don't know what Yes Oh Yes is, if this is the first time hearing about it or seeing one of my videos, I am an ambassador. So if you guys want to sign up after I explain to you, I have a link down below and I would greatly appreciate if you did use my link. I do get a little something from it, but I would greatly appreciate if you signed up because I think you guys would really like it. So Yes Oh Yes is a monthly subscription service and it is $14.99 a month. So with like shipping and handling for me, it kind of rounds up to about like a little less than $18, which I think is great. It's more expensive than Ipsy because they do 3 to 5 full-size products every month. It's not like Ipsy where they give out just samples and a little makeup bag, and it is cheaper than BoxyCharm, which you know is pretty nice. In these subscriptions you also get a palette every month, which is awesome. If you've seen my past Yes Oh Yes videos, I've gotten a beautiful eyeshadow palette from Beauty Creations, and last month I gave away the palette that we received because it was a holographic highlight palette and I'm just not into that. But this month we got a really pretty eyeshadow palette that I cannot wait to play with. So like I said, if you want to sign up, there is a link down below. And also they've been advertising that if you sign up for a whole year and you complete a full year, they will give you like a really special like limited edition kind of bag that's worth $200 to $400. So sign up. The link is down below in the description box. It's definitely worth it. I really do enjoy it. So let's get into the unbagging. Every month you get a card with the theme and then what you get in the bag. So this month's theme is Resting Witch Face, which I think is really cute because it's like that Halloween theme. So this month's box or bag's total retail value is $116. So you do get way more than what you're obviously paying for. The first thing that I grabbed out of the bag is this nail polish from NCLA. This is the NCLA Beauty Nail Lacquer. It retails for $18, which this little guy is already the bag. And this is the shade I've been drinking. I haven't used this yet. Obviously, my nails are bare. But I will try to paint my nails tonight. I just haven't had the time to paint my nails. But I'll paint my nails and I'll insert a picture of what this looks like on my nails. And I'll also post a picture on Instagram with just like a little review of the nail polish and how I've been liking it. So if you guys want to check that out, my Instagram is linked down below in the description box. The next product is this Scone Cosmetics Luxe Pro brush. I got like the eyebrow and eyelash brush. To be completely honest, I wasn't really thrilled with the brush just because I have so many of these brushes and I don't really use them. But when I do use them, I feel like they get really dirty and yucky quickly. So I feel like it's always something good to have lying around. I mean, even though I don't really use it that much. This retails for $20. The next product is this Stix Cosmetics lipstick, and I just opened the box a little bit because the box is so hard to open. This is what the lipstick looks like. It's like a triangle packaging, which is pretty interesting. And you just turn the bottom here. So I've been really excited to try this. I think that it's that triangle kind of shape because it might be for easy application. That is my one guess. I don't know, but this is in the shade Tangerine and this retails for $20. Crazy. Next is this little guy, and this is the Mirabella Visionary Longwear Eyeshadow, and this retails for $30. And this is what it looks like. It comes in like a little pot like this. I think that the shade I got is in Imagine, if I had to guess, but I'm not sure. And it's like a moussey consistency, so it comes with this little lid guy right here, and then this is what it looks like. I'll swatch it. Ooh, okay. I thought this was kind of feel like a ColourPop shadow, but it doesn't. I don't know what it feels like. Okay, You wanna know what it kind of feels like? This is gonna be so weird. Have you ever had those Yoplait Whips yogurt? They're like, kind of look like this. It's kind of what that feels like. So here's a swatch. Really pretty champagne-y color. I feel like this could double as a really pretty highlight as well. And the last thing that we got is the eyeshadow palette, and it is this right here, the City Limits palette from IBY Beauty. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is gorgeous. I'm so excited to play with it. Before I play with it, I just want to tell you guys about the palette. It was inspired by spectacular sights and sounds of music festivals, and this palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. This mauve tone palette has the ideal balance of light, transition, and dark shades, which I'm really excited to play with. And this is cruelty free, if you guys were wondering. So I'm very excited to play with this palette. This is the box that it came in. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It matches this as well, the actual palette itself. Okay, now on to the makeup look. Okay, so I already have my face done. I just didn't do my eyes. So I'm going to prime with my Makeup Revolution eye primer. And I love this primer. It is one of my favorites because I love that it has the doe foot applicator. And I'm just going to pop this on the eyes. So now going in with the City Limits palette from IBY Beauty. I don't know what I'm going to use yet, but I'm really excited to be playing with this and a little nervous because someone I watch on YouTube, her name is Leah. I'll link her video down below where she talks about this. She got their poolside palette in a subscription box, and she said some of the shades were hit or miss. So I'm hoping some of the shades aren't like that, but you know, every palette is gonna have hit or miss shades. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here first, which is Glamping, and I'm using my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to pop this in the crease. Ooh, so pigmented. I haven't swatched any of the shades yet. Very, very pigmented. This is a really pretty crease color. I want to try to keep the look a little subtle because I want to use the lip color that I received. And that little lip color is a little out there. Next, using the same brush, I'm going to pick up Glamping and then the shade below it called Silent Disco. And I'm just going to pop those in the crease. Really focusing it in the crease because Silent Disco is a little darker. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. So these matte shades so far aren't really giving me that much of an issue. Like I was saying, Leah was saying that her, what was it? The shimmers were kind of giving her a little bit of an issue, but she thinks that if you use your finger, it would work better. She just didn't use her finger. So I'm hoping that was the case. I'm not really getting any fallout. Like I don't see any fallout on me or at all right now, which that's good. There is a little bit of kickback in the pan, but I've said this a gazillion times. That does not matter to me. Now moving on to the lid, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is VIP. It kind of looks a little shimmery. It's like a weird shade because I swatched it on my hand and it looks shimmery, but it's like not shimmery. So I'm just gonna pat it on the lid and see how this goes because I don't know. Oh, this looks pretty. Okay, so this right here is giving me a little bit of fallout. I don't know if you could see right here, but it's going on the lid really nicely. Like I'm not having a whole lot of issues with it. It's a little, I mean, I was gonna say it's a little patchy, but I also haven't really like done an even job of applying the shadow yet. Okay, so applying this with a brush was just a little patchy, so I'm just gonna go in with my pinky and apply it this way just to make it, you know, a little better looking. I'm gonna go back in with my M441 just to blend it together. Now just taking a pencil brush, I'm going to go back in with Clamping and Silent Disco, and I'm going to run these along the lower lash line. Next, I really want to use this Visionary Imagine eyeshadow guy. So I don't know how I'm gonna incorporate it yet, but I'm gonna use this lip brush from Bayjoy and pick some up. And I guess I'll just pop it in the inner corner. Oh, that's a lot. That is a lot. I'm gonna like fan it out in the inner corner like this. And I'll do the same on the lower lash line. That'll look really pretty. So now I'm just gonna do my mascara off camera and I'll be back for lips. Okay, so now on to lips, and I'm gonna be using the SIX Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Tangerine. Now, I'm just trying this on for you guys. I'm taking it off right after I'm done with this video because this is just a no. This is like a bright orange lipstick with a nice cranberry fall look. So let's just give this a go. Okay, so I right off the bat like that it's a nice light wash of color. You do have to build it up a little bit. But I mean, I'm also wearing chapstick, so the triangular shape definitely does give it an easier application, especially around like this area of the lip where it gets like a little thinner. So here is the finished look. So I really like this month's Yes Oh Yes box. The three things I really like are the lipstick. I think that the shape, the triangular slanted shape, really does give a nice application, and I like that it's like a nice wash of color and you can build it up. And I really like this mousse. This is again what I have in the inner corner. It's really pretty. Definitely want to try it as a highlight as well. I think that would look gorgeous. And I really like the City Limits palette from IBY as well. So if you guys want to sign up for Yes Oh Yes, I highly recommend it. So go click the link down below so you can get your November bag, and let me know in the comments if you sign up, because I'm very thankful if you sign up. So thank you if you sign up. I hope you enjoy your bag as much as I do, and I'm really excited for next month. I've seen a couple of spoilers and it looks pretty good. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. Make sure you go follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!